Good morning students. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the first chapter set language. So take your first chapter note and write it down. In last class we learned about distributive property. For any three sets A, B, C, then two property we studied, isn't it? First one, you say A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Second one, A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C, isn't it? Then in last class I gave two homework for you, isn't it? Have you completed? Now shall I give that answer? Check it. Take your homework question. Then check your answer. Okay. Then if k is equal to one set, l equal to one set, m is given, then given the following or verify distributive laws. Okay. First one, check your answer. First, L intersection M is equal to, did you get this answer? Then K union L intersection M is equal to both union, you should find out K, write it, then union, then L intersection M. This is the answer. Like that, second one also, this is the answer. Okay. Then third one, here K union L. First K write it, union L. Both together you should write it. Okay. Then K union M. Afterwards K union M find out. Then both intersection. These two common you should write it. Okay. Then fourth one also like that. Fourth one K intersection L. Write it. K intersection M also. Then both union. Okay. Then four answers we got, isn't it? Then our question is, and verify distributive laws. Okay, verify. So we have to check. Then first one and third one. These two compare it. Okay. What are the answers equal? These two answers are equal, isn't it? Okay. These two elements are equal. So we can write what? K union L intersection M is equal to this K union L intersection K union M. This is the distributive, one of the distributive law. Okay. So we can write the answer from 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Then these two are equal. Left hand side equal. Like that, second one and fourth one. Check it. Okay. Second one and fourth one, check it. Second time, then second one, you check. Answer is A, B, D. Then fourth one, fourth subdivision, A, B, D. Okay, both also equal. Hence, we can write what? Hence, distributive laws are verified. Distributive laws are verified. Have you understood? Next, third homework question. Also check it. If A is equal to one set is given, B is equal to, C is equal to, three sets are given. Isn't it? Verify. Then one of the distributive law. Okay, verify. Then given. First we have to find this one, write in the roster form, isn't it? Then did you get this answer? Then B is equal to whole number. So start from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5. Okay, C given. Then first left hand side you should take it. This is the answer. Okay. Then right hand side also you should find out. Then this is the answer. Both also from equation number 1 and 2. Then we got A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Did you get these answers? Okay. Now we are going to see exercise 1.5 fourth sum. Verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C using Venn diagram. This is one of the distributive property, isn't it? So we have to verify using Venn diagram. Venn diagram means here first left hand side what is given, write it. Okay, left hand side what is given, A union B intersection C. Okay, A union B intersection C. Here 3 sets are, we have to take 3 sets. Okay, now what are the sets? A, B, C. Name is A, B, C. A, B, C must write it, otherwise you won't get mark. Okay, suppose here L, M, N given means here this is L, M, N you should write it. Okay, then any other letters given means also according to that you should write it. Okay, then here left hand side A union B intersection C. Okay, B first we have to find B intersection C. Okay, B intersection C. B intersection C is, how we can shade this portion? B, this is B set, this one C set. Both intersection, which place is common? Okay, this portion is common, isn't it? So, we have to shade then common portion. Have you understood? Then, next one, left hand side fully we have to take. Left hand side what is given? A union B intersection C. Okay, this one also we have to take A set B C. Okay, then here A union B intersection C. A means here A set fully we have to shade. A fully we have to shade, and this B intersection C portion also together we have to shade. Okay, shall we shade? Then A portion fully we have to shade. A portion fully we have to shade, and B intersection C area also we have to shade. Okay, already common here, then this area is there, isn't it? Then union, here union is there, so this portion also we have to shade. The shaded portion is called what? A union B intersection C. Are you clear? Then next one, right hand side you should take it. Okay, then right hand side, what is given? A union B, then intersection A union C. Okay, here inside the bracket what is given? First we have to write A union B. Okay, find A union B. So we have to take, this is A set B C. Okay, then A union B. A union B means A portion and B portion fully, this region fully you should shade it. Okay, union. So this A portion fully we have to shade. Then B also fully we have to shade. A and B together we have to shade. Are you clear? The next one, inside the bracket what is given? B union C. Okay, B union C. Here also A, B, C set. Okay, then A union C. A union C means A portion and C also together we have to shade. A portion and C portion we have to shade. Very clear? This is B union C. This is called B union C. Next, right hand side fully we have to take. Right hand side what is given? Then A union B, then intersection A union C. Very clear? A union B intersection A union C. Here also A, B, C you should take in. Then A union B and B union C. Both which portion is common? Which region is common you say? Very good. Then A portion common. Isn't it? Both also A portion is common. So we have to shade A portion fully we have to shade. Then afterwards this region also both also common. Here this place B is not shaded in this set. Okay. Here this C is not shaded in A union B. Okay. So which region is shaded? This portion also shaded. Have understood? So we have to take this one. Left hand side is 1 you should take it. This diagram number 1. This one diagram number 2 you should take it. Okay. Both also check it. Left hand side this diagram, right hand side this diagram. Both also you have to check. Both also equal or not equal. Check it. Very good. These two are equal. So we can write what from diagram number 1 and 2 we get what? A union B intersection A union B intersection C is equal to diagram number 2 what? A union B then intersection A union C. Have you understood? Any doubt? Next we are going to study De Morgan's laws. Then Augustus De Morgan was a British mathematician. He formulated laws for set difference and complementation. These are called the De Morgan's laws. Okay. First we are going to study De Morgan's laws for set difference. Okay. These laws relate the set operations. What are the set operations? Union, intersection and set difference. Okay. Here for any three sets A, B and C, first one A difference B union C is equal to A difference B. Here union is there. So we have to write here intersection. Then A minus C. Very clear? Second one A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B. Then union A difference C. Okay. These are the two De Morgan's laws for set difference. Okay. With the help of this laws we are going to see the problems. Okay. In example 1.23, verify A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C or minus. Okay. Using Venn diagram. Then first we have to take left hand side. Okay. Left hand side what is given? A difference B union C, isn't it? Then A, B, C set are given, isn't it? So we have to write name is A, B, C set. Okay, A set, B set, C set. Okay, here also A, B, C. Then first left hand side inside the bracket what is given? Very good. B union C. Okay, first we have to shade B union C portion. Okay, B union C means you know very well B portion and C portion. Okay, then these two region B fully and C also we have to shade B and C. Clear? B and C fully we have to shade. Then afterwards, here A difference or minus. Okay, A minus B union C. That means already you know A difference B means then except B, except second one remaining, then A values. Okay, except second one, then remaining A values. Here except B union C. B union C means this region. Okay, this region B union except this B union C. Okay, remaining A portion alone we should shade. How to shade only A. Very clear? Except B union C. Okay, remaining this A only we have to shade. Any doubt? Then next one, right hand side. Right hand side we have to take a right hand side. What is given? A difference B, intersection A difference C. Okay, then this is A, B, C. Here also A, B, C, Z, A. Very clear? Then here inside the bracket what is given? A difference B. Okay, first one A difference B. Okay, then A difference B means then except B, then A portion only should shade it. Okay, then except B, here except this B, except B, remaining A portion we have to shade. Okay, remaining A portion except this B, remaining portion is this portion, it will come. Very clear? Except B, remaining A portion. Okay, we have to shade. Next one, what is given? A difference C. Okay, A minus C. A minus C means here except C, this is C set, isn't it? Except C, remaining A portion we have to shade. Except C. Okay, except C, then remaining A portion we have to shade. Next, right hand side fully what is given? A difference B, A difference B, then intersection A difference C. Okay, both intersection. Then which region is common? Both also which is common? Say, you know very well. Which is common? Here you see, then A, here up to this common, isn't it? Here this portion only A, here also shaded. Okay, and this region is not shaded in A minus B. Okay, this region is not shaded here. Okay, so which is common? Only A is common. Only A is common. Understood? Then here left hand side, this is diagram number 1 you should take it. Then right hand side, this diagram number 2 you should take it. Okay, these two are equal or different? Say, see the diagram, both also equal, isn't it? From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, then we can write what? 1 and 2. We get A difference or A minus B union C is equal to A difference B, then intersection A difference C. Then hence verified. Okay, hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. Have understood? Now let's see example 1.24. if P is equal to set of x such that x belongs to W and 0 less than x less than 10, then Q is equal to set of x such that x equal to 2n plus 1, then n belongs to W and n less than 5, and R is equal to set of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Then verify P difference Q intersection R is equal to P different Q union P different R. Okay, difference R. Then we have to find the roster. We have to convert into the roster form. Here which form is given? Set builder form is given, isn't it? Then in roster form of set PQR you have to write. Okay, first P, set P is equal to set of x such that x belongs to W. W means whole numbers, isn't it? Whole numbers. And what are the whole numbers? 0 less than x less than 10. 0 less than x less than 10. That means then this 0 we cannot take. Why means here less than. Suppose less than or equal to means this is 0 also you have to add. Okay. Here in between numbers you say, what are the numbers? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9. Whether it will come 10? No, isn't it? Why? Here less than 10. So up to 9 we have to take. Then next one, finding the element of set Q. Then how we can find? Here one condition is given, isn't it? Then x equal to 2n plus 1 is given. Okay. Then you have to write here given or 2x equal to 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1, isn't it? Then first we have to substitute. Here n belongs to W is given. W means what? That is whole number. And n less than 5. Less than 5 means what are the less than 5 values? Say. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here less than equal to not given, isn't it? So up to 4 we have to check. Okay. Here n equal to suppose 0 means 0 which implies. Then x equal to we will get say 2 into n place we have to substitute this 0. 0 plus this 1. Okay, then equal to 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Any doubt? Then next number is n equal to 1, isn't it? Then x equal to 2 into n place we have to substitute 1. Then plus 1. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Very clear? Then next number n equal to 2. N equal to 2 which implies x equal to then 2 into n place 2 substitute 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Okay. Then n equal to 3 which implies then x equal to 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Okay. Then one more number also. Here n less than 5, isn't it? So up to 4 we have to take. N equal to 4. Then which implies x equal to 2 into 4. Then plus 1. 2 4s are 8. Very good. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay. Then therefore x takes values. What are the values? X. What are the values we got? That values we have to take. Okay. Then q is equal to, say what are the values? We got x equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Very good. Then and r equal to what is given? R equal to, here roster form given, isn't it? Then no problem. Here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Any doubt? Then verify P minus Q intersection R. Okay. Then left hand side what is given? Left hand side we have to take first. Left hand side P minus Q intersection R. Okay. Here left hand side given. Inside the bracket what is there? Q intersection R is equal to say Q. Q what are the values? Q 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Very good. Then intersection R what are the elements? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay. Both intersection is, what are the intersection here which is common? Then here 3 is common. So we have to round this one. This 5 also common, round it. 7 also common, round it. Then 9, no. Okay, what are the common elements? 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Okay, then left hand side what is given here? P minus Q intersection R, isn't it? Then equal to P, what are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then minus Q intersection R, what are the elements we got? Set of 3, 5, 7. Okay. Then difference means X, and then second one, except second one, first set values, isn't it? Then here 3 is there. This here P, in P also 3 is there, isn't it? So we have to cancel. Then here 5 is there, here also 5, have to cancel. 7, here also 7 is there. Okay, have to cancel. Remaining P values are, P what are the elements you say? Very good. 1, 2, 4, then 6, 8, 9. Are you clear? Then how many elements? 6 elements are there. This is equation number 1, you should take it. Okay. Then next one, here right hand side. Right hand side what is given? Write it. Right hand side P minus Q union P minus R. Okay, here P minus Q is there, isn't it? Inside the bracket P minus Q first. P minus Q we have to find. Then P what are the elements? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Then minus Q what are the elements? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Then that means what? Except this Q, remaining P values, isn't it? Then 1 is in both. You have to cancel. 3 also in both. You have to cancel. Then 5 also like that. 5, here 5 also cancel. 7 cancel. 9 also cancel. Okay. Remaining what are the elements? 2, 4, and then 6 and 8. Very clear? The next one, P difference, P minus R. P minus R. P minus R is equal to set of P. P what are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus, then R is, what are the elements? R 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, then 2 both also available, isn't it? Then cancel this one except r. Then r values we have to cancel in p. Okay, then 2 we have to cancel, and next one 3 both also there, cancel. 5 both also there, cancel. 7 also. Then 11 is not in p set. Then 13 also not in p set. Then also we have to cancel this one, otherwise you will confuse. Okay, these two no need. Okay, remaining what are the elements? Say remaining 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 elements we got. Then let's right hand side what is given? P minus Q, then union P minus R. Okay, here union is there. Then equal to set of P minus Q. What are the elements we got? 2, 4, 6, 8. Very good. Then union, the symbol union. Then P minus R is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, both union you say, you know very well. Then P minus Q union, both also together we have to write. Okay, and then P minus Q or P minus R both. Okay, then all values together. Say first one 1 we can write, isn't it? 1, 2 is in first set. Then 4 both also available, so one time you should take it. Then next 6 also both given. Then 8 also write it. Okay, one time enough. Then remaining 9. Okay, everything together we have to write it. Then how many elements? 6 elements, isn't it? Then right hand side, this one equation number 2 we have to take. Okay, then already equation number 1 we completed, isn't it? These two answers, check it. Right, left hand side 1, 2, 4, then 6, 8, 9. Both also equal. From equation number 1, from 1 and 2, we get 1 and 2, we get what? Say P minus, left hand side P minus Q intersection R. Okay, P minus Q intersection R is equal to what? P minus Q, then union P minus R. Okay, then hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. It is verified. Have you understood? Any doubt? This one for 5 more question. They will maybe ask for 5 more question. Okay, important question this and that. Okay, be careful and study. Again you should practice. Okay. Now I am giving homework. Exercise 1.5, 5th sum, 6th, 7th question. Okay. Same as previous model questions. Okay. Then in 5th sum you say if A is equal to one set is given, B set is given, C also given. Everything roster form only given, then no problem. Show that A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Directly you can find. Okay. Then 6th sum you say here if A is equal to X such that X is equal to 6n, then n belongs to W. Okay, n belongs to W and n less than 6. N less than 6. Okay, here first we have to find the roster form. Okay, that means here n values. What are the values? You say n equal to what? 0. W is there, isn't it? W means whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? You say 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So start from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5. Okay, n place we have to substitute first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 you have to substitute here. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 1 is 6. And 6 into 2 is 12. Like that you find out. Okay. Then b is equal to x such that x equal to 2n. That's a model only here also. Okay, n belongs to, but here natural number is given. Okay, natural number, what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Isn't it? But here condition what is given? 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. Okay, so what are the numbers n? What are the numbers that will come? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 we have to substitute here. Okay, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 5 is 10, like that it will come. Okay, 6, 8, 10, and then remaining numbers also substitute. Then c is equal to x such that x equal to 3n, but n belongs to capital N, and 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. Less than or equal to, starting itself equal to given. So this 4 also we have to take. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, up to 9 you have to substitute in n. Then what are the x value we got? Then that x value you have to write. Okay, and show that A difference, B intersection C. Left hand side first you should take it, then find out. Then right hand side also you take, and union you should find out. Okay, and then this one is very easy. Then check it, you do complete it. Okay, try to complete. Okay, if you have any doubt you ask, no problem. Then next 7th one, if A is equal to one set is given, B also one set is given, and C also given, and show that A difference B union C, A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay, like that given. Here also roster form, everything roster form only given. Okay, this question only we have to convert into the roster form, but this one easy only, very simple. Okay, then you can do, try to do. If you have any doubt, then next class I will give this sum. That time you check it, before itself you complete. Okay, then what are the questions, Omar? Now note it. Exercise 1.5, 5th sum, 6th sum and 7th sum. Okay, this is same as previous model question only, and then today itself you complete these questions. Okay, then if you have any doubt you can call me in the doubt clearing session. Okay, and thank you students.